Hi, my name is Hamad. I am a nursing student at the University of Michigan, and I've been using Glean for the past 2 years. Before I started using Glean, I really struggled with staying focused during lectures and retaining information. I have ADHD, I'm a first generation student, and it's very hard to keep up with these fast paced classes. And the professors would jump between the topics quickly, and I'd leave lectures feeling really overwhelmed and unsure of what I learned. And I didn't always know the best study tools out there. I needed something that would help me stay organized and actually understand what's being taught, and I just really needed something to help me. And I just struggle a lot with being able to focus in class. Honestly, Glean has completely changed the way that I learned, and because of my ADHD, I used to miss important details during lectures, and it was really hard to catch up. But with Glean, I can focus on listening in the moment without stressing having to take every single notes. I go back afterwards, I replay what I need, and I can organize everything clearly. And it's really helped with my memory, and I can break down things at my own pace and understand what's being taught. Overall, it's made studying less overwhelming and way more effective, especially in a demanding program like nursing.